Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to represent put-together problems with number bonds and number sentences. So, looking at this, we have some oranges. And there are some questions that we need to answer about these oranges that are down at the bottom. The first one says, how many oranges are there? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oranges. Now it says, how many have stems? Well, let's circle how many have stems. Let's do that first. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 have stems. This says, how many do not have stems? Well, let's circle the ones that do not have stems. That's only 1. So now, looking at this picture, we see that there is 7 oranges all together. 6 of these oranges have stems, and 1 does not. Well, let's put this into 2 number sentences and a number bond. Let's first put this into a number bond. Well, we know, since we circled the oranges that have stems and the oranges that do not have stems, this is going to make it easy for us to put in our number bond for our 2 parts. So what is my first part that I circled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 oranges that had stems. So I'm going to write that 6 in my number bond. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at how many did not. Oh, well, it was 1. So my other part is 1. So now, how many oranges did I have all together again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's right. So we know that 7 was our whole. So I'm going to put a W for whole at the top, and then put a P by the 6 and a P by the 1, just so we don't forget that 7 is our whole, 6 and 1 are our parts. Now, looking over here to this side, these are number sentences, but more specifically, these are what we call expressions. Expressions or number sentences that do not include the whole. You just have the 2 parts. Okay, so looking at this, it says blank plus blank. Well, we have to put our 2 parts in there. What are our 2 parts again? Oh, it's 6 and 1. So we know that 6 plus 1 makes 7. Now, we're going to flip-flop those parts around. Because it doesn't matter which order they're in, it's going to still make the same number. Since we know that it's just our 2 parts right now, since it's just an expression without the whole, our 2 parts can switch spots and it's still okay. It makes the same number. It still makes 7. So 6 plus 1 we know makes 7. Just like we know if we switch those 2 parts around, 1 plus 6, we know it still makes 7. Okay, so we know that those 6 oranges with stems plus that 1 orange without a stem makes 7. Just as if we would do 1 first plus the 6. That would still make 7. Alright guys, that's it for this video.